Have you ever wanted to start your own container garden but didn't know where to begin? Container gardening is a versatile and accessible option, perfect for adding a touch of green to limited spaces or enhancing your indoor environment. Well, you're in the right place to learn how to start your very own container garden. First things first, you need to choose the appropriate containers. From traditional pots to creative options like old buckets or wooden crates, variety is your friend. Just ensure your pick has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Remember, the key is to choose a container that suits your plant's needs and your personal style. Now, on to the fun part, picking your plants. It's crucial to consider the light, temperature, and humidity of your chosen spot. Beginners might try easy growers like herbs, succulents, or marigolds. The world of plants is vast, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Once you have your containers and plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by filling your pot with soil, followed by the plant. Water thoroughly after planting. Regular watering, periodic fertilization, and pest monitoring are crucial. With the right care, your container garden will thrive and bring you joy every day. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to container gardening. We've navigated through choosing containers, selecting plants, and their care. Why not start your own little green space? It's a joyful journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!